I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota 4Runner headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and a new headlight bulb. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down. Safety is important, so consider wearing gloves to protect your hands and to avoid touching the new bulb's glass, which can reduce its lifespan. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the mechanic. Now, let's access the bulb. Begin by opening your vehicle's hood and locating the headlight assembly you need to service. You might need to remove a few plastic clips or an air intake duct to gain better access. Use your screwdriver to remove the 2 or 3 retaining bolts that secure the headlight assembly. Once the bolts are out, carefully pull the entire headlight assembly forward a few inches. This provides enough room to work comfortably behind the unit. With the headlight assembly accessible, it's time to replace the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it off. Next, unclip the retaining spring that holds the bulb in place, or twist the bulb counterclockwise a quarter turn, depending on your model. Carefully pull out the old bulb, avoiding contact with the glass. Now, insert the new bulb, making sure it is properly aligned and seated firmly. Reattach the retaining spring, or twist it clockwise to secure it. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to your brand new bulb. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original mounting position. Reinstall the 2 or 3 retaining bolts you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not excessively. Don't forget to replace any plastic covers or air intake ducts that were moved. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it is working perfectly. You've successfully changed your Toyota 4Runner headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.